I'm premeditating crime of a personal kind. I'm about to go out of my mind. I'm just about sick to death of taking breath and walking this line of mine. Now folks that know what's good for 'em are good at ignoring 'em, but I just can't put these thoughts down. I'm harrowed and abused and broken and pursued by this notion that follows me around. My heart is hurting, my spirit's burdened. I feel like a liar and a thief for taking air, for being here unwanted. I look for my final release. Goodbye, goodbye, California. Goodbye, and I'll be moving on. I sang you my songs, I know I'm wrong. Fare thee well, and I'll be rolling on. When I'm dead and gone, my immortal home will hold me in its bosom safe and cold. No more desires will light their fires or disturb my immaculate calm. And the birds of the air and the beasts of the soil and the fishes of the desperate sea will know who I am, and our substance will expand as part of everything. As part of everything, my God, as part of everything. And the clouds will roll, and the wind will blow, and the beautiful birds will sing. Goodbye, goodbye, California. Goodbye to your waving trees, to your succulent wind, and all my friends. Fare thee well. Goodbye, so be it.